Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding both sources to your report and immediately checking the join key. This is crucial because mismatched keys break blends. Once done, normalize data types so the keys match exactly, convert strings to dates or numbers as needed. Make sure field names and formats align, then select a primary chart to host the blend and choose Blend Data. This first action puts you into the Blend editor, where you can map keys and pick initial metrics to combine. You now configure how the sources actually merge by choosing a join type. For completeness, pick a left or full outer join, whereas inner removes unmatched rows. Next, map each join key carefully and set aggregation for metrics, SUM for totals, AVG for averages, count for counts. Once the basics are set, add calculated fields to reconcile mismatched categories or compute ratios. Make sure to preview row-level output so you can spot duplicates or unexpected nulls before committing the blend. You finish by applying the blended data to your visual and configuring date range and filters. This reveals whether the blend behaves with real report context. Once added, validate totals and key metrics against the original sources to confirm accuracy. If numbers diverge, inspect join keys, data types, and aggregation levels, and sample raw rows to find mismatches. A common fix is converting time zone or trimming whitespace in keys. If problems persist, simplify the blend to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.